Right, moving on, in a bold move that signals a significant shift in policy, Japan has sailed a warship through the Taiwan Strait for the first time, drawing sharp criticism from China. Our next story explores how this bold maneuver by Tokyo underscores growing tensions in the region as the U.S. and its allies increase their military presence to challenge China's territorial claims. Take a look.
Japanese destroyer JS Hazaneme's passage through the Taiwan Strait has sent shockwaves across the high seas. China is seeing red. The Japanese destroyer was flanked by vessels from Australia and New Zealand. The ships passing through the 180-kilometer Taiwan Strait for military exercises in the South China Sea represents a clear challenge to China's territorial claims. China's military is now on high alert. It has lodged a formal protest against Japan's actions, urging Tokyo to refrain from what it calls disrupting cross-strait stability. In a rare move, the Chinese army released footage showcasing its tracking and monitoring of foreign vessels in the strait, a clear message of its vigilance and displeasure.
中方对日方此举的政治意图高度警惕，已向日方提出了严正交涉。日方在1972年中日联合声明中就此作出过明确的承诺，即日本国政府承认中华人民共和国政府是中国的唯一合法政府。中华人民共和国政府重申，台湾是中华人民共和国领土不可分割的一部分。
This development comes amid increasing military activities in the region. Russian and Chinese warships are conducting joint naval exercises in the Sea of Okhotsk, further complicating the strategic landscape. Large anti-submarine Russian destroyers, corvettes, joined Chinese destroyers and the frigates near Japan's island of Hokkaido. The two navies recently conducted one of the biggest naval exercises in 3 decades. The US and its allies, including Canada, Australia, Britain, France, and recently Germany, have been increasingly transiting the strait to reinforce its status as an international waterway, much to China's anger.
Ja, das kann ich bestätigen. Und das Signal ist ein ganz einfaches, was wir immer vertreten haben und auch ich immer vertreten habe. Internationale Gewässer sind internationale Gewässer. Es ist der kürzeste Weg. Es ist angesichts der Wetterlage der sicherste Weg und es sind internationale Gewässer, also fahren wir durch.
For Japan, the move represents a significant departure from its long-held policy of not directly challenging China. It aligns Tokyo more closely with the US and its allies in their efforts to counter Beijing's expansionist ambitions. The Chinese are also keeping the Taiwanese on the edge. Taiwan's defense ministry says 43 Chinese military aircraft and 8 naval vessels were detected around the island in a 24-hour period. Beijing asserts it will never renounce the use of force to bring Taiwan under its control, with Chinese leader Xi Jinping in recent years upping the rhetoric of unification being inevitable. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.